5 ways to stop yourself from overeating. Slow down and savor your food. Eating too quickly can lead to overeating. Take your time and enjoy each bite. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. Use a smaller plate to control portion sizes. This can help prevent you from taking more than you need. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone. This can cause you to eat more than you realize. Find alternatives to food for stress relief. Instead of turning to food when feeling stressed, try activities such as going for a walk, reading a book, or practicing mindfulness. Best way stop yourself from overeating. One of the best ways to stop yourself from overeating is to practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a technique that helps you become more aware of your eating habits, and allows you to tune into your body's hunger and fullness signals. It involves paying attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food, as well as how your body feels while you're eating. To practice mindful eating, try the following: sit down and eat at a table, without distractions such as TV or phone. Take small bites and chew your food thoroughly. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. Put your fork down between bites to help you slow down. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. By practicing mindful eating, you can become more aware of your eating habits and learn to tune into your body's hunger and fullness signals, which can help you avoid overeating.